Alright guys, let me show you how you have to take a free scored mock test on languageacademy.com.au. First of all, make sure you're using Google Chrome, don't use any other browser. Go on languageacademy.com.au. Once you go here, you have an option to log in, register. Go to register, type in all your details here, ABC, XYZ, whatever your last name is, your details, date of birth. You can just move back here like this, then your country of citizenship, Australia, abc@gmail.com. then you type your phone number here, then you write your password here. Once you are done with your password, you type your password again, then you select, if you are a student, select the student, if not, select not a student with LA, your desired score, and then you click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you will receive a code on your email. Remember this thing, on your email you type in that code here, you click on sign up, you will get a notification that you are registered successfully. After that, you just need to go here, type in your details, log in here, then you need to go to mock test. See, you have to make sure you allow microphone access. You go to full mock test, take the full mock test, and then once you are done with the mock test, you'll have all the results here. I've taken number of mock tests before, so you'll have your results in the full mock test section. All the very best guys. If you do have any doubts, do let me know. Another thing, if you face any issues while using the portal, you just need to clear your browsing history. You just need to go to settings, and then you need to go to clear browsing data, go advanced, and clear all time cache and all the browsing history. If you clear cache as well, that will be fine. Once you do that, you will be able to work on this properly. Make sure you only use Google Chrome, and you check your microphone should be very good, otherwise you'll face issues with your speaking section. Few other things, if you want to practice, you just go to test material, any task you want to practice, you submit your answer, you get instant AI results as well. You have your weekly prediction questions here, you have got all your templates here, then you have got mock test, mock results, and secret strategy videos as well. If you want to see how you're doing, you just click on analysis, you'll get your progress tracker, which will show how you're doing, what are the things you need to work on. All the best guys. If you do have any doubts, let me know. All the best. I'll see you very soon.